डेजी आज भी ओपन है ऑडिशंस देने के लिए,
किसी को मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में नहीं पता.
और जिनको पता है कुछ गलत चीजें पता है.
Your mother will not teach you what real love is, then what an animal will teach you.
आप खाने के लिए जीते हो या जीने के लिए खाते हो?
जीने के लिए
जीने
खाती
के लिए.
हूँ. सुबह 10 बजे जैसे दारू उतरती है, किसी को कुछ याद
कुछ
नहीं
याद
रहता
नहीं
कि
रहता.
हमने क्या ऑफर किया था. और
सारे
क्या
सेटअप
नहीं
रात को
किया.
बनते हैं, सुबह सारे सेटअप डिसमेंटल हो जाते हैं.
Exactly. So, bodyguard, no person in the right mind will ever say no to a film like Bodyguard if you are playing Kareena's role.
कि पार्टियों में जाके और सोहो हाउस में जाके आप हीरोइन नहीं बन सकेंगे.
And when people say that वो काम करने के लिए आपको घुलना मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है, आपको सोशलाइज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, वो सोशलाइजिंग तक ही रहता है. एंडिंग अप इन ब्लू ड्रम्स, which is very bad.
Ouch! और suitcases.
Which is very bad.
Very bad.
A character demands to look hot. I can do that too also.
आज हमारे साथ दो ऐसी बहनें हैं जिन्होंने करियर के सबसे ऊंचे मकाम और सबसे नीचे अंधेरे इन दोनों को देखा है. एक वो हैं जिन्होंने अपने करियर की शुरुआत एक बैकग्राउंड डांसर के रूप में शुरू करके आगे चलकर बहुत सारी ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्मों में लीडिंग लेडी रही. दूसरी उनकी बड़ी बहन जो एक सक्सेसफुल टैलेंट और इवेंट मैनेजमेंट प्रोफेशनल है. प्लीज वेलकम डेजी एंड दीपाली शाह. वेलकम टू द शो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग. चलते हैं हमारे पहले सेगमेंट की ओर जिसका नाम है चिटफट, द रियलिटी एंड द मीडिया फिल्टर्स. Daisy, this new fitness journey, is it Ozempic or Mounjaro or both?
Ozempic or Mounjaro or
Or
both.
both.
There's no better option in
There's
this.
no better option.
So the thing is that I've always had phases in my life where I have put on weight, then I've lost weight, then I've put on weight, then I've lost weight. So when I was starting Jeho, I had drastically lost weight. वो time पे Ozempic Mounjaro नहीं था, right? Which means it is achievable without injections.
Yeah.
Then after COVID, I again lost like around 12 kilos because I did get COVID and I put on a lot of weight because of the medications and all that, which again says that it was achievable. So this time around, again, I thought that it is achievable and that's why
So it's a yo-yo that keeps happening in your life.
I think that you can't like climb the Everest and stay there forever unless you are taking help. You have to have that graph हर चीज के अंदर.
ये बताइए, आपने जय हो और रेस 3 जैसी 100 करोड़ ब्लॉकबस्टर की बहुत सारी फिल्में की हैं और कुछ लल फेजेस भी आए हैं. डिस्पाइट दैट इंडस्ट्री आपको एक एक्सीडेंटल सुपरस्टार का टैग देती रही. आपने अपनी स्टारडम खुद कमाई है या किसी स्टार के वेव को राइड कर रही है?
आई थिंक इट्स अमालगेशन ऑफ बोथ थिंग्स. मैं पूरा क्रेडिट खुद को नहीं दूंगी क्योंकि डेफिनेटली मुझे बहुत हेल्प मिली है. आई हैव बीन like it's been laid in front of me on a silver plate, golden plate नहीं बोलूँगी because कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी बहुत मेहनत लगी है.
बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है.
Yeah, and I have been extremely lucky that I have such an amazing superstar of our industry का support, and without him it wouldn't have been possible, definitely.
दीपाली, you have been managing a lot of celebrities. बहुत बड़े-बड़े celebrities और events को आप manage करते हैं.
Yeah.
क्या आसान है? उनको manage करना या अपनी बहन को manage करना? First question bold.
Oh my god, that's
You have to be very
yeah, you can
not
be
diplomatic.
very, yeah.
yeah. So managing those artists is better because you get your free breaks, and managing your own sister is like a call in the middle of the night or maybe at 3:30, 4 o'clock or something. Dipali, is this sorted? And I am a day person and not a night person. And she's a night person and we are like opposites in this thing. So I sometimes get pissed when she calls. I'm like, Daisy का phone नहीं है time पे क्यों आया यार? And but I have to pick up. I have no other option.
Now I'll tell you what happens. I'll give you the flip side. When I call her at 12 in the night, if some other artist will call her at 12 in the night, she'll pick up the phone. Yes, ma'am. क्या है? ये कोई टाइम है क्या फोन करने का? She has that
When it's your
audacity
call.
to talk to me.
हाँ, अच्छा.
She doesn't have this audacity to talk to any other
Any other
artist who will call her at 2 o'clock in the night. So she is not giving the flip side. This is the flip side.
But एक बहुत क्लियर डिमार्केशन है आप लोगों के बीच में, एंड आई वर्क विद यू इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग सो, कि क्रिएटिव्स को वो मैनेज करती है और पैसों में वो नहीं आती, पैसे आपके ऊपर छोड़ देती है.
Yes, that's
So
true.
that's a very clear demarcation. Do you share the same rapport with every other actors as well?
Every other actors, as you know, in this industry, it's always a ratio. And with Daisy, it has never been a ratio at all. It's like she's always been so good to me. She's like, Dipali, जो भी है सब अपना है. So it's everything is managed together, and of course my mom, it goes everything in her hands, and she's the one who is giving us pocket monies monthly. That
Yeah.
Daisy, this is yours, and Dipali, this is yours.
ये बहुत
she's a
छोटा सा स्टार्ट था। तो चलते हैं हमारे सेकंड सेगमेंट की ओर, जिसका नाम है पापड़ बेल। ये सेगमेंट उन दुखों और स्ट्रगल्स के बारे में जिसे अक्सर लोग पर्दा डालकर छुपा लेते हैं। आइए तो शुरुआत करते हैं हमारे सेकंड सेगमेंट की। आपने बड़ी फिल्मों से शुरुआत की, आपने साउथ में काम किया, गुजरात में काम किया, मराठी फिल्मों में काम किया, and then there came a time when you did certain films which you were not very comfortable with.
Yeah.
I would say, for example, A Hate Story 3.
Hmm.
Was it because of kitchen, or was it because ये वो चीजें नहीं है, या ये वो प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं है, as much as I know you, जो आप दिल से करना चाहती हो?
हाँ.
So was it out of your own will, or was it for the need of your kitchen?
I think it was the need of the kitchen, definitely. The reason also being that apparently there was this norm going around in the industry saying that Daisy cannot pull off a role which needs to be delivered, like she cannot look hot. Like, this is as blunt as I can be. So to break the mold, I had to do this one role, saying that if a character demands to look hot, I can do that too also. Jai Ho, the character what I was playing was a girl next door, and I had to do justice to the way the character's demand was.
Demure, petite.
Exactly.
And here you are playing this bold diva.
Yes, yes.
Do you
So
regret
just to
doing
break
it?
the mold, I would say it was an experience, but I would just like to keep it there. Like, I wouldn't want to have this experience again in my life.
Again.
Yeah.
Hate story को hate नहीं करती आप, लेकिन
हाँ.
love भी नहीं करती।
Yeah.
Moving on. आपने बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस में फिल्में की हैं, you know, so have you. गुजराती, मराठी, कन्नड़ा, तमिल, हिंदी. Which language do you feel is the most professional industry to work in?
When it comes to working, I think it's all pretty much the same. At that point of time, see, I have not worked in South in the last 10 years, so I cannot judge on that. But before that, I felt that South is little more technician-oriented industry, where the amount of respect they give to the technicians there is to another level.
Unparalleled.
Now, again, I'm talking about 10 साल पहले की चीज़ है. I don't know what the entire scenario is right now. But I have also had this feeling कि वहाँ पे everything is not actor driven. वहाँ पे अगर एक टेक्नीशियन ने बोला, like technician, I'm talking about probably a DOP. If he said that I don't want to do this,
It won't.
that's happening. It's not like नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा. Like I remember when I was assisting one of Mani Ratnam's movie, I remember the cameraman was Manike sir, and it was a huge setup. We were shooting in Bihar somewhere. There was some killa. And, वहाँ पे Manike sir told Mani Ratnam, imagine these two people, biggest of the industries that they have.
Titans, हाँ.
And yeah, it's a clash between both of them, where Mani sir said something and Manike sir, the cameraman, said कि मैं नहीं करूँगा. And eventually, everybody had to bow down to what Manike sir said and not Mani Ratnam.
उस वक्त साउथ में जो फिल्में बनती थी वो हिंदी में डब होके आती थी। अब मामला थोड़ा सा अलग हो गया है कि फिल्में जो वहाँ पे बनती हैं वो एज अ पैन इंडिया रिलीज होती हैं। तो उस वक्त के जो साउथ डोमिनेंट स्टार्स थे अब वो पैन इंडिया स्टार्स हो गए। तमन्ना भाटिया हैज नाउ मूव्ड हियर, तापसी
Yeah.
पन्नू, प्रियामनी जी, समंता प्रभु, रश्मिका मंदना करेक्ट।
Yeah.
तो ये सब अब पैन इंडिया स्टार्स हो गए।
हाँ.
डू यू थिंक आपके वक्त अगर ऐसा होता जो आपने साउथ फिल्में की थी और उस वक्त अगर उसकी एक्सेप्टेंस पैन इंडिया होती, यू वुड हैव बीन एट अ बेटर स्टेज इन योर लाइफ?
I wouldn't put Tamanna, Taapsee Pannu and all these into like the pan India because वो पहले से थे.
They are migrants to Bollywood.
They have always been like a part of, like, I would say yes, Rashmika is a pan India star today. It's because she is simultaneously working on two things. What I know about Tamanna, when she was working South, she never did Bollywood.
Correct.
Again with Kajal Agarwal, again with Taapsee Pannu. They were working there. They were not.
They were
it can
complete
be-
South stars and then they migrated.
Yes, yes.
So say Rashmika.
हाँ.
If such scenario existed today, would that have been a better position for you in terms of doing roles across genres and languages?
Well, it all depends on the destiny. You can only do what you have to do. Destiny eventually has its own plans and it will take you wherever you are supposed to.
Do you miss choreography?
I never miss choreography. I would say I miss dancing, but not choreography. Too much of tamjam, bapre, I can't do that.
Yeah, but you had people dancing to your tunes.
Yeah, but I wasn't the one who was putting the mental work into it. I was the physical part of the entire dancing.
Daisy, we're going. Speed is good, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Khatro Ke Khiladi, your first reality show.
Thanks to you.
Thanks to it was thanks to all of us that we did that together. Thanks to all of us that we ended up doing that. Your first reality show ever. You stepped out of your comfort as an actor and stepped into a domain which you had never
Explored.
experienced.
Yeah.
And I remember you were not nervous, but you were very indecisive about if you would want to put yourself out there as a reality show contestant amongst the other mix of people who come from different walks of life.
Yeah.
How's that experience?
It was fun. I enjoyed the entire stunt part. The only reason being, see, I just feel once when I did Khatro, like I definitely had these things in my mind. कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, कैसे करेंगे? It's a reality show, this and that and all. But the good part is that it wasn't a captive reality show.
Yeah.
You have your own life. You have your own room. Like you have your own privacy. You're not being cut off from the world outside. So that went pretty, it was very swift. Now coming to the reality part, I did not pay that much of attention to it, and I wasn't actively involved when it came to the reality part of the show. When it came to stunts, I was actively a part of it, but if you see the show,
Yeah, you were not.
I wasn't.
You were not ready for it.
Because I said that I don't want to be a part of made up scenarios.
You wanted to do the show only on the basis that it was a skill-based game show.
Yes.
A competition where you would show your own prowess and win the show.
Yes.
But show कहीं बनते थोड़ा सा reality की तरफ ज़्यादा चला गया था.
Yes, yeah,
That
I
is
agree.
something I remember. We had calls.
Yeah.
Late night calls होते थे where you were saying I'm not very comfortable putting my real life.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
on-set politics,
Yeah,
interpersonal
that is
relationship.
something that I don't really. It's not. I'm not here trying to bash people who enjoy doing it, but me as a person, I just feel that there's enough hatred in the world. We don't need these witty mind games. I mean, that is one part where we can at least save ourselves, and that's why I decided to only focus on the stunts and not the other part.
But you made some very good friends.
I did, yes.
In the show, we'll talk
Yes.
about more a little ahead. But yeah, Anjali.
Yeah, there's Anjali, there's
Shiv,
Anjum, there's Shiv. These three I was really close to. Then, in fact, I like Sundus
Archana
also.
Gautam. Ouch.
Archana, I had a tu-tu-me-me relationship.
Not-
In fact,
not-
I've never had that kind of feelings towards her, and it's vice versa. It's just that at one point of time in the show where it happened, like we were just sitting getting ready for the episode, and she was just yapping about the show that she did right before Khatro.
Which was Big Boss.
Yeah, and she was just going on saying कि the show मेरी वजह से चला था, TRP मेरी वजह से आई थी, and this and that. So I was like, okay, great. But if that is the case, you don't have to say it loud. Let people say
Let
it.
people
you know?
acknowledge.
Yeah. So I think that is one place where वो मुझे खटकी थी. Otherwise, she is a very sweet person. I'm just like, I don't like people who keep on saying मैं ऐसी, मैं वैसी, मैं वैसा, मैं. So मैं वाले लोग मुझे थोड़े अजीब लगता है.
मुझे बताइए, आपको बिग बॉस काफी सीजन से ऑफर हो चुका है. We are all privy to that.
Yeah.
अगर आपको दोबारा ऑफर होता है, would you like to do that show?
Oh, I get offered every year.
Every year?
Yeah.
Every year, I think for the past 7, 8,
Yeah,
9
yeah,
years?
yeah.
With different amounts?
No, we haven't reached that stage.
We haven't
ever.
reached that stage, yeah. But you get offered, yeah.
Yeah.
Would you never want to do that show? Is it never ever or never say never?
I think Big Boss is probably over my dead body.
Oh, you dead body?
Yeah.
Okay. तो चलते हैं हमारे थर्ड सेगमेंट की ओर, अंदर की बात. ये वो बातें हैं जो इंडस्ट्री के लोग दबी जुबान में करते हैं, लेकिन आज हम खुलेआम करेंगे. 2005, Ooty, a terrible accident
Yeah.
that changed your life.
Yeah.
How did you cope up with that and come out to be this beautiful and wonderful person inside out today?
Well, the accident actually came as a surprise. I'm very सारे accident as a surprise ही आते हैं. But at that point of time, I was shooting for a song in Ooty. On my way back to the Coimbatore airport, we had this accident. And I was just, at that point of time, I was trying to realize कि हुआ क्या है. And then we went, the locals took us to a very local hospital वहाँ पे, because there was no other hospital there. And I was stitched, my forehead at like तीसरी आँख खुल गई थी पूरी तरह से, and then I was stitched like literally like a goni.
Oh,
Yeah, I had a very bad scar. It's operated 4 times. That's why it's like quite smooth now.
But it's still visible.
It's fine. I mean,
Yeah.
that's I own up to it now.
Yes.
Like this is
I think some
lucky
scars
one.
are a remembrance of
Yeah,
life,
yeah.
That's a lucky one now.
life and experiences.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also life turned 360 degrees after that. I started getting good opportunities. I started meeting a lot of people. And I just feel that till date, I have been so blessed with all the people that have come in my life. They've always been very protective. They've always been very caring. And they've always been there to guide me कि इनसे मत मिल, या यहाँ मत जा, या ये मत कर. So I have lucked out. I definitely have lucked out.
So 2005 was one turning point in your life.
Yes.
Dipali 2007, your father passed away.
Yes.
She was shooting in Malaysia for a film or a project.
No, I was there for the Zee Cine Awards.
You were in Malaysia for an
Yeah.
award.
Yeah.
You were pregnant.
Yes.
Life changed overnight for all of you.
Yes.
Things in dynamics in the relationship. Suddenly, Daisy became the head of the family because you
Yes.
were starting your new life out. आप अपनी नई जिंदगी शुरू कर रहे थे.
Yes.
क्या आपको कभी ये गिल्ट होता है कि डेजी ने अपनी यूथ लाइफ उस वक्त सैक्रिफाइस की जिस वक्त पापा नहीं थे, मम्मी वाज जस्ट एबल टू ग्रैपल द वर्ल्ड एंड यू वर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आउट योर पर्सनल लाइफ?
Yes.
कभी ऐसा गिल्ट महसूस होता है कि शी एंड आई एम सेइंग दिस अनफिल्टर्ड, डज दैट थॉट एवर कम टू यू?
See, Daisy actually start very early. In fact,
99.
1999. Yes, when she had just given her grade 10th exams. So she was always the head of the family. I mean, in fact, even when my dad was there, dad, mom, myself always looked up on her as the head of the family, and we always asked her कि Daisy ये चीज़ करनी चाहिए, ये ठीक है, वो ठीक है. Yeah, but then when dad suddenly passed away, there was always a thought in the mind that कैसे होगा, कहाँ होगा, how will things manage, because I am married, I just started off with my new baby and everything, and then yeah, though those thoughts even scare me today, I'm still getting those goosebumps, you know, that yeah, but then she made it.
She had
She
to.
made it.
उस वक्त मतलब you were barely some years, 20 plus
My
years.
dad, I was 22.
22.
Yeah.
2011 Kannada
No.
film. No, I'm moving on to this.
2009.
2007, 4th April.
My dad passed away in 2007. I was shooting for my first ever movie, like a full project as a lead in 2009, which got released in 2010, I guess. No, 2010 we shooting, and then 2011 it got
The Kannada film Bodyguard.
Yeah, Bhadra.
Bhadra. So Kannada film Bodyguard is the remake of the same Malayalam film जिससे हिंदी film Bodyguard बनी.
हाँ जी.
There are news reports which say you were also offered the Hindi remake
Yeah.
simultaneously.
Yeah.
Why did that not happen, or was Jai Ho the right time for the right thing to happen?
Okay.
My
no
research is
person-
correct, na? Research is correct so
Yeah,
far.
your research is fine, but it's just that I'll give you like a little more anecdotes on the same thing. Is that Bodyguard? No person in the right mind will ever say no to a film like Bodyguard if you are playing Kareena's role.
Ah,
I am not complaining. I was very excited when I was offered the role. The only reason to turn it down was because the role that I was supposed to play did not have any potential, at least to show where I come from.
and the Kannada film you played Kareena.
Yes,
You played
yes.
her. So there was no point having two films in the same year of the same language.
That doesn't matter. So the thing is
Different
that
language,
even Hazel's role, so that was the role being offered to me. If Hazel's role had at least some dancing number, I still would have said yes, because that was my prowess. ऐसे में एक्टिंग हाँ ठीक है, पर जहाँ से जो फील्ड से मैं ट्रांजिशन हो रही हूँ उसका तो कुछ दिखाऊं मैं.
वो नहीं था.
नहीं था ना.
But glad वो नहीं हुआ.
हाँ.
In some ways it's called destiny by design.
Yeah.
2014 में आपकी आनी थी जय हो, जो सही टाइम पे got you the right break.
Yeah.
उसके बाद ये बताइए एसके के कैंप का लॉयलिस्ट होना. You were the part of the inner circle. You were part of that SK camp जो इंडस्ट्री में different self-made camps बने हुए हैं. Was it a boon or a curse? Because उस वजह से शायद धर्मा, YRF, मैडॉक जैसे अदर बिग कैंप्स के साथ शायद हम वो काम नहीं कर पाए जो, क्योंकि किसी कैंप के साथ एक्सक्लूसिविटी होना क्या नुकसान रहा? Was it a boon or a curse?
Honestly, I wouldn't even have the answer to this, because मैंने कभी ये डायरेक्शन में सोचा ही नहीं कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे ही हूँ तो मैं शायद बाहर नहीं जा पाऊँगी या किसी के साथ काम नहीं कर पाऊँगी या बाकी जो प्रोडक्शन हाउसेज या बाकी जो कैंप्स है उनके साथ घुल मिल नहीं पाऊँगी एंड ऑल दैट. आई नेवर हैड दिस थॉट एवर. I think for me, I need to be with the set of people whom I'm comfortable with. If I can't be myself, first of all, I can't do the pretense. नहीं होता है मुझसे. And when people say that ओ काम करने के लिए आपको घुलना मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है, आपको सोशलाइज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, वो सोशलाइजिंग तक ही रहता है. सुबह 10 बजे जैसे दारू उतरती है, किसी को कुछ याद नहीं रहता कि हमने क्या ऑफर किया था.
सारे सेटअप रात को बनते हैं, सुबह सारे सेटअप डिसमेंटल हो जाते हैं.
Exactly. So socializing is not going to. Yeah, if you're looking for a boyfriend, you might get one. If you're looking for a hookup, you might find one. But it's not going to get you work. That is something that I have learned.
ये आई
all
थिंक
these
बहुत सारे
years.
एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स को एक मैसेज जाना चाहिए कि रात को पार्टियां, सोशलाइज, सोहो हाउस
हाँ,
में जाके आपको
हाँ.
फिल्में नहीं मिलती.
Exactly.
रात को तू मेरी हीरोइन, तू मेरा डायरेक्टर, तू
हाँ.
मेरा डीओपी, और सुबह उठने के बाद किसी को याद ही नहीं होता है।
Yes.
शावर होते ही जैसे पूरा when once you are in sane mode you are like do I even know this person? The minute you get a call, ये कौन call कर रहा है? You never know what is
So
happening.
this is coming from a veteran who has been around for more than 20 years
Yeah.
in various fields of the industry. और आप लोग please
Oh,
समझ
that
लीजिए
way. This is the 7th year.
27th ईयर इंडस्ट्री में रहने के बाद अगर ये दोनों बहनें ये ऐसा कह रही हैं तो उसको प्लीज सुन लीजिए और समझ लीजिए कि पार्टियों में जाके और सोहो हाउस में जाके आप हीरोइन नहीं बन सकेंगी। आपको
I
आराम
mean,
नगर में घूमना
if you
पड़ेगा।
want to go for a good time, it's fine. If you want to enjoy some music, enjoy a couple of drinks, or just have a small get together, or just meet
With
up,
some
or like that.
friends.
Yeah, but it's not gonna get you work, definitely.
इस डेजी सो कुछ चीजें मुझे शायद पता हो as part of your being your friend of knowing you well, but there are things that audience and her fans wouldn't know. डेजी आज भी ओपन है ऑडिशंस देने के लिए।
Yes. Yeah, she's very grounded in these things. Very much.
आज वो
yeah.
अपने काम को कैसे अप्रोच करती है? हाउ डिफरेंट इज इट फ्रॉम द अर्लियर टाइम्स फॉर द फैंस टू नो?
See, Daisy have always been grounded. For her,
शी इज रादर
work-
अंडरग्राउंड।
yeah. For
वो
her,
नजर ही नहीं आती है।
yes, for her, work is work. She worships her work. Even if she's getting a call from a newbie, you can say a new camp or a new director or producer or someone, we always set up a meeting. She's like, Dipali, just talk to these people,
एक बार
get your
मिलके आना।
homework done, get it to me, and then let's see how we can take these things forward.
एंड शी इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट विद मनीज। आई डोंट थिंक वो मनी को एज अ ड्राइविंग फोर्स रखती है अपने
No,
प्रोजेक्ट में।
no,
जितना
no.
मैं समझ पाया हूँ
No.
उनके लिए या तो मेकर अच्छा हो या कंटेंट अच्छा
Yes, the
हो या
content
प्लेटफॉर्म
should be-
अच्छा हो, समथिंग
Yes.
शुड बी
Yeah,
ग्रेटिफाइंग फॉर
something should have some potential to bring that project forward.
Yes.
Like either the script needs to be very strong, or the maker needs to be very strong.
हर। डेजी, यू आर अ फूडी एंड अ पेट लवर बोथ।
हाँ.
हम पहले आपके फूडी एस्पेक्ट को एड्रेस करते हैं। यू लव लॉट्स ऑफ फूड, एनी एंड ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फूड, टेस्टी फूड, रोड साइड फूड, फाइन डाइन फूड। How do you still manage to be this fit? And even you are so fit.
I was that person. I seriously don't have a great relationship with food anymore.
No? But when I met you, you were a foodie, hardcore foodie.
I don't. At that time also, like when we were shooting for Khatro, I hardly ate. I had one toast in the morning. Sometimes I didn't even eat anything. I straight away had my lunch, and the lunch also was like a big bowl of salad. And dinner was like probably little rice and dal, or that's it.
So you never, आप खाने के लिए जीते हो या जीने के लिए खाते हो?
जीने के लिए
जीने के
खाती
लिए
हूँ,
खाते हो। More like that. This is disappointing.
I just feel what happens now, like you become so blasé in life that it's like, हाँ ठीक ही है, अभी क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है, like nothing excites you anymore.
But fitness does.
Yeah,
That's your fault.
because you get to wear like nicer clothes, you look nicer, you get good compliments, and you moreover when you look at yourself in the mirror, you feel nice about yourself.
Your love for pets. ये याद है मुझे कुछ वक्त पहले की बात है, तब इनके पास थियो और माइको थे।
Miko.
थी और मिको।
Miko.
कीको नहीं था।
नहीं.
कीको नहीं थी। आई डोंट नो अगर आपको ये बात याद हो कि नहीं हो, एक स्टूडियो है बॉम्बे का वेल नोन स्टूडियो, वहाँ पे एक साइबेरियन हस्की को केज करके रखा गया था।
Oh.
और मिडल ऑफ द नाइट मेरी एक प्रोड्यूसर फ्रेंड है रोहिणी वकील, उनका फ़ोन आया कि ऐसे ऐसे है और उसे रीलोकेट करना है या उसे रिहैबिलिटेट करना है। तो आई हैड नोबडी एल्स टू कॉल एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम। आई कॉल्ड अप डेजी। मैंने डेजी को बोला ऐसे ऐसे साइबेरियन हस्की है और उसे वहाँ से निकलवाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो कल उसे जंगलों में छोड़ दिया जाएगा, एंड दैट वुड नॉट टर्न आउट वेल। शी डिड नॉट आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन एंड शी जस्ट सेड कि साकिब उसको आज रात अपने घर ले आ, मैं 2 दिन के लिए ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ, 2 दिन बाद हम देखेंगे उसके लिए क्या करना है। बहुत कम लोग ये जानते हैं कि यू आर अ वेरी साइलेंट yet a very strong activist for pets. Even you do not tolerate any kind of injustice or kind of cruelty to animals. Please say something about that. Your stand on that. एक माइकी नाम के डॉग के साथ एक मंजरी फडनिस ने कभी
I
रील
know,
डाला
I
था।
heard, yes.
बहुत ही बुरे तरीके का उसके साथ व्यवहार किया गया और उसे मार दिया गया। Please can you speak a bit about your love for pets and a message to those who are cruel to animals to have some kind of
I just feel that why are humans, like why is this thought even there? Why do we think that we are so entitled for everything, that the world belongs to us humans only and not any other species? In fact, we are the ones who have taken up their space, which is not right. And that the only thing that animals have to offer you is love. And believe you me, if you have never experienced an animal's love, you are missing
not.
out the major thing in life.
Life. True.
That is an animal will teach you what true meaning of love is. No human, and I say this again, even your mother will not teach you what real love is than what an animal will teach you.
This is a big lesson in understanding how one should relate to बेजुबान जानवर, चाहे वो डॉग हो, कैट हो.
हर इंसानी रिश्ता कंडीशनल होता है, वो भले माँ का हो, बाप का हो, भाई का हो, बहन का हो, पति का हो, बेटे का हो, हर एक ह्यूमन रिश्ता ट्रांजैक्शनल है. एक एनिमल का ही रिश्ता है जो अनकंडीशनल है. एंड द डे यू नो दिस, द डे यू एक्सपीरियंस दिस, यू विल नेवर गो बैक.
लाइफ इज वेरी डिफरेंट. कमिंग बैक टू द फूडी पार्ट, एक बात तो मैं मिस कर गया. सो इवन दो यू नॉट अ फूडी, आप खिलाते बहुत अच्छा हो. गणपति के दिन इनके यहाँ पे पानी पूरी वाला, भेलपुरी वाला याद है मुझे. तो वो एक्सपीरियंस मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा. आई थिंक पूजा एंड आई वर एट योर प्लेस, और सब कुछ छोड़ के चलो पानी पूरी खाने चलते हैं. वो टेस्ट अभी भी नहीं गया है. एंड आई होप दिस साल भी हम लोग वही पानी पूरी खाएंगे. दैट्स योर मॉम, हु इज आई थिंक मोर ऑफ अ कि आओ चलो.
माय मॉम
तैयार होके
एंड
मम्मी.
शी,
हाँ.
मतलब ये दोनों अगर घर में नहीं रहना, मेरा किचन बंद रहता है.
So they are the bookers.
Yeah, they and obviously
The
my
foodies, हाँ.
yeah. मतलब ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर जब ये लोग दोनों होते तब बनता है. जब मैं अकेली घर पे होती हूँ तो मेरे लिए एक टोस्ट बन जाएगा या थोड़ी सी खिचड़ी बन जाएगी. हार्डली.
But do you cook?
Yes, I cook. I love cooking. Yes.
She loves cooking, but she hates cleaning up the mess after.
Hates cleaning
So
up the mess. So who
my
does that?
housemate gets really irritated. He's like कि दीदी बनाती तो है पर साफ ही नहीं करती.
तो जैसे ही एक वो खानसामा पहुंचता है अंदर किचन के अंदर, खाना बनाने, ओ ये बनाने वाली है खाना, तो आज सत्यानाश होने वाला. Deepali, you had fair share of struggles in your own life. You know, you've been through your own turmoils. You have 2 kids.
Yes.
You have your own family.
Yes.
You have 2 families to take care of now that you know you're part of a larger family together. How often do you guys disagree on personal and professional matters?
Every third conversation.
Let her answer.
After every third minute, you can
disagree.
say. Yeah.
How often do you disagree? Guys disagree on professional and personal matters. And
It's just
what?
right now we are in front of the camera, so we have sobered
हाँ.
down. But as soon as the podcast is over, we'll be back to normal. I mean, I'll be back to
तो
normal.
कोई चीज अगर मुझे ऐसे लग रही हो ना कि ये नहीं हो पा रही है, डेजी सुनना, तू छोड़ना दीपाली को मैं देखती हूँ, और फिर मैं फोन करता हूँ दीपाली, तू छोड़ना डेजी को मैं छोड़ने देखती हूँ. तो वो काम किस वक्त हो जाता है उस चक्कर में. कभी एक आध बार ऐसा हुआ है. तो हाँ, बट एक बार से ज्यादा ट्राई कर नहीं पाते क्योंकि हम एक्सपोज हो जाते हैं. अंदर से कोई बहनें, हाँ क्या बोला था उसने, क्या बोला, अच्छा ऐसा बोला था, तू बोलना, हम लोग देख लेंगे साथ में. दिस बीइंग सेड, मुझे बताइए, प्रेशर ऑफ रनिंग योर ओन कंपनी,
Yes.
प्रेशर ऑफ मैनेजिंग डेजी शाह, व्हाट डू यू फील द मोस्ट नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट? इनकी फिल्मों का नहीं चलना एक प्रेशर होता है कि फिल्मों का नहीं चलना और नए तरीके का काम ढूंढना या नए तरीके के काम को एक्सप्लोर करना. वेब है, यूट्यूब है, डेली सोप तो खैर ये नहीं करती, रियलिटी शोज हैं, फिल्म्स हैं, वो नए तरीके का काम देखना, या फिर इनके ट्रोल्स को मैनेज करना, या फिर जो इनके ऊपर गलत एलिगेशंस या गलत पीआर आर्टिकल्स, तो पीआर मशीनरी को हैंडल करना या वर्क को हैंडल करना. व्हाट्स द मोस्ट एग्जॉस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रोफाइल? Something that only you can answer.
See, now,
What are you more worried about?
Exactly, we are never worried about anything because whatever, we are more of spiritual people, both of us, even my mom. So the atmosphere in the house is totally different. We hardly talk about work or we hardly talk about these negative trolls, and it doesn't affect
No, not
us.
about talking. जैसे आज एक फिल्म नहीं चली या आज एक प्रोजेक्ट किसी कारणवश वो रिजल्ट नहीं दे पाया जो देना चाहिए था. So what does your effort go into as a professional? As Deepali Shah, what does your effort go into? Finding a new project or the right project, or managing the PR machinery, which is talking about affairs and relationship and non-required aspects of life which do not even reflect on her
I have
personality.
always been a very non-controversial person anyway.
yeah.
Like
But you attract controversy.
Nobody really knows about my personal life. मतलब speculations बहुत हुए, but किसी को मेरे personal life के बारे में नहीं पता.
और जिनको पता है कुछ गलत चीजें पता है.
हाँ, बट द थिंग इज दैट सी, जिनको पता है, मुझे पता है कि वो सेट ऑफ पीपल बहुत कम है. तो अगर मुझे उसके ऊपर सवाल पूछा जाएगा तो मैं शायद उनको बता दूंगी कि ये सच है या झूठ है या जो भी है. बट इट डज नॉट बॉदर मी बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस ना, द मिनट यू स्टार्ट सीकिंग फॉर वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड,
Yes,
it completely breaks you. You need to know your truth. You need to know who you are as a person, whether this thought is aligning with you first or not. कोई क्या सोच रहा है वो तो बात की बात है. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो?
Spirituality is what helps the Shah family household keep
yes,
yourself grounded.
very
Yeah.
much, very much.
Talking about the PR machinery, हम गए थे रॉकी रानी के प्रीमियर में. अंजू ने हम सबको बुलाया था, खतरों के खिलाड़ी की पूरी टीम को बुलाया था पीवीआर जुहू में.
Yeah.
See that हमने बुलाया था PR को ताकि we get spotted together and we had come down from a movie.
Yeah.
12 of us were standing there.
Yeah.
अकस्मात ऐसा हुआ कि सबकी गाड़ियां निकल गई और हम लास्ट कार का वेट कर रहे थे, वी वर गोइंग टू रेडियो बार,
Yeah, all of us, yeah.
और वो वायरल न्यूज होगा. हाउ डू यू मैनेज दिस? बिकॉज कई बार ऐसा होता है कि पीआर अपने आपको एज अ कपल किसी के साथ दिखाने के लिए या किसी एक जगह पे स्पॉट होने के लिए बुलाती है, लेकिन उस वक्त और रेडियो बार, ये तो मैं 2 जगह का खुद
हाँ,
गवाह हूँ
हाँ.
कि हम साथ में आए
साथ
थे
में गए थे
और साथ में जा रहे थे
हाँ.
एक जगह पे, और वहाँ पे स्पॉटिंग हो रही थी क्योंकि रॉकी रानी का
दिस
प्रीमियर
इज
था.
तो न्यूज़ फॉर मी, मुझे तो इसके
या,
बारे
या,
में
या,
पता ही
ये
नहीं
मैंने
है.
रिसर्च किया तो
Really?
हाँ, तो बहुत वायरल गया था कि
See, the thing is that also if you're going to say something which is very sane, nobody is interested watching it. इसलिए clickbait invent हुआ है. जब तक तुम clickbait नहीं करोगे, nobody is wanting to click on that particular video or whatever that content is, कि मसाला नहीं देंगे तो इंसान को मज़ा भी नहीं आएगा. ना अब वो डिपेंड करता है कि तुमको मसाला पसंद है या नहीं पसंद है. आई एम अ ब्लैंड फूड पर्सन एनीवे, तो मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता.
इंटरनेट पे ये बात बहुत चर्चित है कि आपने शिव ठाकरे को ब्लॉक किया है. नॉट दैट आई हैव ट्राइड टू वेरीफाई इट, ही इज बीन अ क्लोज फ्रेंड टू ऑल ऑफ
हाँ.
अस, वी हैव ऑल बीन इन टच. हमने फिल्म साथ में देखी है, हमने एक यॉट पार्टी पे गए थे हम.
नहीं, मैं नहीं थी.
आप गए थे यॉट पार्टी पे?
Oh, that one.
that one,
Yeah,
that one.
yeah.
है ना, हमने
Sundowner, that
सनडाउनर
one, yeah.
यॉट पार्टी वो की है. रेडियो बार एक आध बार गए, 3-4 बार
हाँ.
उसके शिव के बर्थडे पे एक
हाँ.
बार मिले हैं.
But
I think that
have
was
you
limited
ever, like,
No.
we've always been 10, 12, 15 people together,
No,
right?
I've never seen you guys alone together.
Never. Except for one time where I was going to watch the movie Barbie and he happened to call me. So I told him कि मैं बाबी देखने जा रही हूँ, if you're around, you wanna join, come along. और मैं वैसे भी अकेले देखने जा रही थी. So he said मैं आ रहा हूँ. मैं कहा ठीक है, then I'll get your ticket also. We went inside. The minute we came out, Pabs probably उनको पता चला कि हम लोग अंदर हैं
हाँ.
और हम 2 जनी हैं, तो they are like कि हाँ.
This was, I think, basement of some theater.
PVR. Juhu.
But has there been ever any sparks between you all? Anything that was concrete? या फिर ये मनगढ़ंत बातें हैं?
Nothing was concrete.
Nothing was concrete. But was there something? Was there some fuel before the fire could exist?
The thing is that there's always been this liking towards each other, but we never reached that stage where we could say it's love, or we could say that we are a couple.
Are you guys in touch? या फिर ये blog
Yeah, we are
unfollow
in
ये सब
touch.
हुआ है?
Definitely, I know that he just opened his salon. The second one is right, like it's opening in few days and all that. I'm definitely in touch with him.
Love.
It's just that the thing is that the more you start making public about everything, people get more things to talk about, and in their own way, they want to interpret everything in their own way.
And you're a very private person.
I am, and so is he.
No, he's a very guarded person. More
Yeah.
than private, he's very guarded about his
Yes.
family and surroundings.
Yeah.
You are very nonchalant about your 40 plus age. You are very clear about freezing your eggs. You've spoken about how marriage is not an important aspect of your life or on the radar right now. और family शुरू करने के लिए मर्द की जरूरत है. ये सारी चीजें आप already you have spoken in various interviews.
Yeah.
I just want to know, is this a defense mechanism or is it a personal thought of independence which comes from your personal belief, or is it a defense mechanism because 40 plus actors को generally एक certain type of roles के लिए categorize या stereotype कर दिया जाता है. So which one is it?
I wouldn't say it's defense mechanism. I think it's also a way of keeping yourself sane, because many times I have come through a lot of people who have said यार हमारा तो अभी ये हो गया, अभी हमको कोई मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, and then that's where I have to like listen, you need to be complete in your own self first. You don't need anybody to complete you. Like when they say your better half, no, you are yourself whole. That is an add-on.
आप ही शिव हो, आप ही शक्ति हो.
Exactly. So मेरा खाली ये है कि don't drown yourself into this thought कि यार हमको कोई नहीं मिलेगा. जिसको आना होगा लाइफ में वो अपने टाइम पे आएगा. Don't be sitting and sulking about it.
और जिसको जाना होगा 20 साल बाद भी चला जाएगा.
Exactly.
The joke
And
was on
when
me.
it comes to marriage, oh, okay. And when it comes to marriages, lately I've been only seeing marriages, they're all falling.
Yeah.
Matlab, they're all. So what's the point? Either some of them are like ending up in blue drums, which is very bad.
Ouch, or suitcases.
Which is very bad.
Very bad.
And then after 20 so years, they are just getting separated. So that
Do you believe in second
rather
chance?
than going that path, I'd rather stay here and like hold my ground. It's like जिसको आना है आए, जिसको जाना है जाए.
तो इस वक्त आप सिंगल है
या
और किसी डेटिंग एप्स पे भी नहीं है.
मैं
हो भी नहीं सकते.
कभी भी डेटिंग एप्स पे नहीं है.
What are
कभी
your
भी.
thoughts on second chances in life?
Of course, you should get second chance.
है ना? We all
Yes.
deserve.
Yes, we all deserve. Why not?
तो चलते हैं हमारे सबसे एक्साइटिंग राउंड, मुंह फट यानी कि रैपिड फायर राउंड. यहाँ सोचना मना है, जो पहली चीज दिमाग में आए उसे बोल देना है। तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं मुंहफट राउंड की, वेरी फास्ट। सो आई स्टार्ट विद यू। हु इज द मोस्ट ट्रांजैक्शनल, एक्टर्स और रियलिटी शो कंटेस्टेंट्स?
Reality show contestants.
गिव वन वर्ड फॉर द फॉलोइंग, इफ यू हैड टू डिस्क्राइब देम, वन वर्ड फॉर द फॉलोइंग। सलमान खान।
Super caring.
सलमान सर का वन वर्ड।
हाँ.
डिस्क्राइब द फॉलोइंग इन वन वर्ड, एक वर्ड में इनके बारे में आप मुझे बताइए। सलमान खान।
Protective.
मिसेस पल्लवी शाह, योर मॉम।
Free bird.
फ्री बर्ड।
Yeah.
अर्चना गौतम।
Mufat.
मुंहफट राउंड में मुंहफट। ओके, बोथ ऑफ यू, मॉम और दीपाली, डेजी और दीपाली, डेजी और मॉम। योर मोस्ट
Mom.
फेवरेट, योर मोस्ट फेवरेट, डेजी और मॉम।
Daisy.
आज घर पे लफड़ा होने वाला है।
मम्मी
आज
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
किचन
में
के
है, इधर है ही नहीं.
चलो दीपाली आपसे, मॉम या डेजी, हु इज योर गो टू व्हेन इट कम्स टू पर्सनल
Mom.
इश्यूज टू सॉल्व? मॉम, you don't feel
Because
she can-
mom takes her side all the time, even though if she's wrong.
So last question to you, if you one day woke up as Daisy Shah, what is it that one thing you would do to start her career all over again? You woke up Daisy Shah in 2005 from the accident, woke up from that as Daisy Shah, what would you do in that hospital? What would you do as
I have a good answer for this.
But she has to answer.
I know.
She has to
I
make
know,
a-
but I have such
Then
a
I'll ask
brilliant
her.
answer.
I think it's better you answer it.
No,
what?
it's Dipali was to
Dipali.
answer. If she woke up as the Daisy,
As Daisy.
yeah, on that particular day, when she came to her senses and saw what happened to her life, what would you do? Deer caught in the headlights. अरे कुछ तो करोगे आप?
I mean, I've always seen her as a perfect person, you know.
आप क्या करोगे अगर उस दिन आप उठे और आप देख रहे हो आप डेजी शाह हो?
I'll calm down my anger. Yeah. She has got little anger
Say,
issues.
anger issues? Do you miss a brother in your family?
No.
Or does she make up for that?
No, never.
And I think your mom has also not let you miss the father in your family. She's
I've
been
always been the beta in the
the
house.
male,
Yeah.
the alpha.
Yeah.
डेजी, इंडस्ट्री की सबसे मिसअब्यूज लाइन कौन सी है? ये फिल्म ने 100 करोड़ क्रॉस कर दी है या वी आर जस्ट गुड फ्रेंड्स?
I think 100 करोड़ वाली ज्यादा बोलूंगी मैं.
ज्यादा मिसयूज्ड है।
हाँ.
Wonderful. This was very rapid. Other than the answer that Deepali gave, what if you woke up one day as Deepali Shah back in 2005? How different would you lead the life?
I'll first of all change the goal of my life.
Change the goal of your life.
Yeah, her goal in life was to get married and make babies.
That thing is something that you would like to change.
Yeah.
See, she is so clear in her thoughts. Would you like to answer your question again?
She's right.
She's right. If waking up as Deepali, you waking up as Daisy Shah, I'm still waiting for that answer.
This problem of OCD.
OCD.
Yes, it bothers me. a
Anger
lot
issues,
sometimes.
OCD. धीरे धीरे
Yes.
सारी चीजें बाहर आ रही है.
Okay.
एक बार और सवाल
OCD,
पूछूंगा, एक नया
okay.
problem आएगा.
Okay. OCD is a disease. Okay.
We all have that.
And I don't have OCD. I'm organized freak. Now I've made जो घर बना है ना, जूते चप्पल रखने की जगह होती है, हैं? टॉयलेट में टॉयलेट करने की जगह होती है, किचन में खाना खाने की जगह होती है, तो हर चीज़ की जगह होती है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप कमोड के ऊपर जाके खाना खा रहे हो.
Correct.
या किचन के अंदर आप वॉशरूम यूज कर रहे हो.
ये
ऐसा तो नहीं
extreme
है.
But
examples
इनके
हो
घर
गए.
पे
This is
हम-
extreme
पर
examples.
इसके घर पे हमने देखा है कि जब हम गणपति के लिए आए थे, पूजा और मैं थे और भी कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे, एक वो डिजाइनर फ्रेंड भी थे आपके, नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है मेरे को, स्टाइलिस्ट फ्रेंड थे. तो हम बैठे हुए थे और बैठते बैठते शायद कुशन होगा या कुशन इधर चला गया होगा, बैठते बैठते जितनी बार रूम में उस उतनी बार कुशन वही रखे हैं जहाँ पे होना चाहिए था.
Exactly.
तो
But
वो
see, the
दैट
thing
इज
is,
आई थिंक द ऑर्डर.
Yeah. I just feel, and I'm not about that person. Like I have Ganpati ke time pe, you see the amount of people that
Yeah,
come
yeah.
in my house. So if I was OCD freak, that would give me anxiousness, but it didn't, and it never does. My only thing is that if this is supposed to go back in the kitchen after being used,
This has to
do
be
it. If you are making something in the kitchen, my only thing is that kitchen is one place that needs to be clean, क्योंकि वहीं से हमारा nutrition
बट डू यू आल्सो हैव एन ऑर्डर कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर कि वो ऐसे होना चाहिए?
No,
नहीं वो
no,
नहीं.
वो
बट
नहीं.
सही चीज सही जगह पे.
सही चीज
Oh.
सही जगह पे होनी चाहिए. बस मेरा ऐसा है. और मेरा एक चीज को अगर ओसीडी अगर आपको कैटेगराइज करना है तो मैं किचन की चीजों को लेके बहुत ज्यादा ओसीडी फ्रीक हूँ, बिकॉज दैट इज वन प्लेस वेयर इट नीड्स टू बी वेरी वेरी क्लीन.
बिकॉज वहां से हमारी सारी एनर्जीज आती है.
एग्जैक्टली.
वंडरफुल. बहुत अच्छी बातचीत हुई दोस्तों. सक्सेस जो है बहुत अच्छी होती है अगर आपको ये सिल्वर प्लेटर पे मिले या थाली में सच कर मिले, लेकिन जब आपने एक जर्नी शुरू की हो स्क्रैच से एज अ बैकग्राउंड डांसर और उसके बाद एक सक्सेसफुल सुपरस्टार बने और एक सक्सेसफुल टैलेंट और इवेंट मैनेजमेंट प्रोफेशनल बने, सक्सेस के असली मायने आपको पता चलते हैं. ये थी रॉ, रियल और अनफिल्टर्ड बातें दीपाली और डेजी शाह के साथ. अगले हफ्ते फिर मिलेंगे एक नई कहानी, एक नए गेस्ट के साथ. तब तक के लिए ओम नमः शिवाय. थैंक यू सो मच। ये छोटा सा एक टोकन ऑफ लव फ्रॉम आवर गिफ्टिंग स्पॉन्सर। ये कुछ स्टोल्स हैं, दिस इज फ्रॉम फेथ। ये एक स्पिरिचुअल टेक कंपनी है फ्रॉम डिजाइनर्स दर्शन जलान एंड मनीष तिवारी।
Oh, is it? Is
yeah,
it
yeah.
Jagannath Bhagwan?
हाँ जी,
Yes. It is Jai Jagannath.
या देखते रहिए अनफिल्टर्ड विद साकेत साहनी। A big thank you to our location partner All Saints Khar Mumbai, our gifting partner Faith and our hamper partner Just Like That Gifts. Thank you so much. देखते रहिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे चैनल पे जिसका नाम है साकेत साहनी। देखते रहिए अनफिल्टर्ड विद साकेत साहनी। ओम नमः शिवाय।